So hello guys, welcome back to the next tutorial. So in this tutorial we'll learn how to interface the relay with the LPC2148 microcontroller. Okay, so first of all we should know what is relay. So relay is acting as a switch. Okay, so with the help of relay we can control the electrical appliances or other appliances. Uh, the relay, why we are using relay? Because some of the hardware like related electrical hardwares and all, we can't control directly with the help of microcontroller, so we need some circuitry. So this relay is acting as a switch, so it is having one electromagnetic circuitry inside that. So once we are providing any high or low, so what will happen, this relay will trigger. So it will normally connected mode, so normally connected and normally open, two mode is there. So once from the microcontroller you will provide the output, the relay will get connected. Okay, so that's all about. I will show you the demo. First, I will show you like how to create the project, then software explanation. After that, I will show you the demo. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to open the Keel Microvision software, and then we have to click on the project, select new Microvision project, and give the folder name. So you need to create new folder. So I'm giving the folder name as a relay. Okay, so this is our folder name. And after creating the folder name, we have to pass the file name also. So file name also we need to add. So I'm giving the file name also relay only. So if you want, you can give another name. So once this file name you will give, it will come like this. So then you have to select this legacy device, and then write your microcontroller name, LPC2148. You need to click on LPC2148 and then click OK. After that you can add the startup file. So for that I added the startup file, and then what we have to do, we have to check whether the startup file is added or not. Now a startup file is successfully added. Then what we have to do, we have to open new file. Okay, so new file I opened, and then we have to copy the code. So this is the code for relay, and I'm copying here. In your case, you can download from the app or from the website, and then you can copy it here. After that, what you have to do, you have to save the code. For that, you have to press Ctrl plus S. Then give the file name with the .c extension. Okay, if you will not give the .c extension, it will not create the hex file. After doing this one, then this main.c file is created, and now you can see this is our main.c file, and we have to add this file. For that we need to click on the source group, then add existing file. Okay, after that click on the main.c and close it. So here you can see the main.c file also created. After that what we have to do, we have to right click on the target, click on options for target, and then you just take crystal megahertz, 12 megahertz it should be there, and then click on the use micro lib output, click on the create hex file, and then at the linker you need to click on use memory layout. Okay, so by this way, when you will click this one, hex file will be generated, and with the help of flash magic you can upload the code, right? So now I will explain the coding part. Now this is the first line, in that we are including the header file. After that one delay function I created. So this is like a delay declaration of a function, that is delay. And in the main function, what I am going to do, I am input output is 0. I'm making as a D in direction as an output mode. So first pin of port 0, that is port 0.0, I'm making as an output. And after that what I'm doing, I am making in the while one, that is like never ending loop. In that what I'm doing, I am setting the port 0.0, first pin of this port 0 I am setting as a 1. So after some delay, then again I am clearing that particular bit. So in this way, what I'm doing, I'm setting that particular bit for this much time delay, and then I'm clearing that particular bit for this much time delay. Okay. So what it will do in a similar way, like how LED is like blinking on and off, in a similar way relay will come. How you will get to know like it is working? You will get some triggering sound. Okay. And this is like digital uh, definition. So this much values, the it will rotate dummy. Okay. So this that's all about like creating the project and the declaration of this. Okay. After that, I'm going to show you like how to do the connections and output on hardware with the help of LPC2148 breadboard and relay. Okay. So thanks. So here you can see the connections and output of the relay. So the input pin of the relay is connected to the port 0 pin number, and 5 volt I given to the VCC of the relay, and ground I given to the ground. So only 3 connection we need to provide. And as in code what we written, so for a particular time delay this relay will on, and then it will off. So here internally it is having some circuitry, so which is like changing the position from normal connected to normal open mode continuously. Like how LED is working, similar way we can do this one. So in this relay is continuously switching on and off, switching on and off. Okay. So this 5 volt from this power supply we have to give to the 5 volt of this relay module. Ground we have to give the ground to the relay module, and input of this relay module we need to connect the port 0 pin number. Okay, 0 pin number of port 0. In my case I given this. In your case, if you want, you can change the pin number. Okay, so any pin number out of 45 pins you can use it, either port pin number 1, 2, 3, whatever it is, you can use it. Okay, so that's all about the relay part. We'll meet into the next tutorial. Thank you.